McLaren Automotive, formerly known as McLaren Cars, is a British automotive manufacturer based at the McLaren Technology Centre in Woking, Surrey. The main products of the company are sports cars, usually produced in-house at designated production facilities. In July 2017, McLaren Automotive became 100% owned subsidiary of the wider McLaren Group. History, origin and founder McLaren Automotive replaced McLaren Cars in 2010. McLaren Cars was founded in 1985. The company went on to release the McLaren F1 in 1992. Between 1994 and 2010, McLaren Cars was registered as dormant company before the founding of McLaren Automotive in 2010. The new company was originally separate from the existing McLaren companies to enable investment in the new venture, but was brought together in July 2017 after Dennis sold his shares in McLaren Automotive and McLaren Technology Group. McLaren's Formula One founder Bruce McLaren was born in 1937. McLaren learned about cars and engineering at his parents' service station and workshop in his hometown, Auckland, New Zealand. By 15, he had entered local hill rally in Austin, Ulster, winning his first race in the car. In 1958, McLaren arrived in the United Kingdom with a driver to Europe scheme intended to help Australian and New Zealand racers to compete in Europe. His mentor, Jack Gravel, introduced him to Cooper Cars, a small team based in Surrey, auspiciously starting his Formula One career in 1958. McLaren joined the Formula One team a year later. That same year, he won the US Grand Prix at age 22, making him the youngest Grand Prix winner to that date. He stayed with Cooper for further 7 years, winning 3 more Grand Prix and other races, driving for Jaguar and Aston Martin, and winning the 24 Hours Le Mans in 1966 with Ford. McLaren founded Bruce McLaren Motor Racing in 1963. A year later, the company built the first McLaren race car, the M1A. 24 were produced. Its successor, the M1B, allowed McLaren into the Can-Am Championship to emerge the dominant victory with 43 victories, almost 3 times more than rival Porsche. In 1965, the first McLaren Formula One car, the M2B, debuted at the Monaco Grand Prix. After his victories in time in the F3, McLaren was designing and testing prototype M6 GT registered OBH 500h light sports car with an estimated top speed of 165 miles per hour. 0 to 100 miles per hour time of 8 seconds. However, McLaren died in car accident in 1970 before the prototype could be completed. Merging, spin-off and growth in 1980, the company merged with Ron Dennis' Project Racing Team. The merger brought back designer John Barnard, interested in using carbon fiber composite. Carbon fiber was already used in aerospace applications but had never been applied to complete racing car monocoque. McLaren pioneered the use of carbon fiber in motor racing with its new car, the MP4/1, bringing new levels of rigidity and driver safety to Formula One. In August 1988, Dennis, team principal, and Gordon Murray started to develop new car, and in 1992, the F1 was launched with total production run of just 106 units. Following brief collaboration with Mercedes-Benz for the SLR McLaren, McLaren Automotive was relaunched as standalone manufacturer in 2010, spinning off McLaren Racing. The company launched the 12C in 2011 and the Spider model in 2012. The limited-run supercar P1 went into production in 2013 and ended in 2015. After introducing business plan to release car or model every year, the company unveiled the 650S in Coupe and Spider models in 2014, and unveiled the new Sports Series range comprising the McLaren 570S and 540C in 2015. The company debuted car for kids, the P1TM, after the P1, in September 2016 and announced the same month that they are developing powerful battery for Formula E. On
October 2016, councillors were reported to be looking at proposition for land opposite of the McLaren Technology Centre for construction and announced the Pure McLaren Arctic Experience the same month, an event where participant is trained to drive 570s in the Arctic Circle.